Christmas 2011. These are the presents from Papa Harris and the presents from Grandma and Granddad Macaulay. This is from Papa.
Can you show the camera, buddy?
Can you show the camera what Papa got you?
Can you say thank you?
Can you say thank you?
And look at our back. Right there. We got this one. Oh, this is Andrew's big one.
Here, let me cut the string. Watch out.
This is from Grandma and Granddad Macaulay back in Texas.
It can go.
I'll cut that one too. Open that one. I'll cut this one open.
I got Andrew's doll. Banana.
What is it?
That's a coat.
All right.
You can go, Liz.
Open them up.
Open it up.
This one. This one.
Open them up. No, no. Open. Ben, open them.
Open the clothes up. Let's see what they look like. Those are cool.
Those are awesome.
Soft.
I can't pull
There's
it.
the shirt. Those will fit.
I can't pull it.
There you go.
This
Look at that thing. That's a nightie. Just like you got on.
yeah.
That's cool. Hey, hold it up for you. Look at that thing.
That is
That's
right.
cool.
Oh, awesome.
Just like the one you got on.
Look, I just bought this one.
Yeah, just like that one. Okay, open the next present from right there. Oh, you forgot this one.
Look,
Oh, baby.
this present's from Grandma and Granddad Macaulay.
Who is that?
Cool.
Who's right there?
That's Emma.
Can you say thank you?
Can you blow him a kiss? Blow him a kiss on there.
You're such a sweet boy.
Okay, you got a couple more. This is from Papa. You're fine. Just keep ripping.
This one right there.
Hmm?
This one here. And Papa was keeping cup.
Where's that? Papa gets you. Turn around. All right. He got you cars.
Yep, he got one queen. What is that?
Who is that?
It's a mater.
Who is that?
That's queen. What's that?
I don't know who that is.
Princess. No, that's not Princess.
Blue.
That's
it.
the agent.
Yeah. Okay, you got two more. You got two more gifts.
There. Got open right there. Mommy put the pencil back in.
Come on. Rip it open. What is that?
That's the movie.
You got a new movie?
Yeah. You gotta watch it.
All right. Fox and the Hound. Puppy.
Yeah, we could watch that one right there.
Yeah.
We got
Cool.
to go up higher.
All right, open the next one.
This one.
Yeah.
That's a new movie.
Yeah.
Papa was caught on that. Oops.
get your Cars 2 movie. Now you can watch on the big TV.
Yeah, we can watch the base.
Yeah. Alright, can you look at the camera? Say thank you.
Thank you.
And I love you.
I love you.
And say, I miss you.
Miss you.
Hey, Andrew, can you open up Kaylin's
Open that one.
from Grandma and Granddad Macaulay?
Hey, oh, you gotta cut the scissors.
Oh.
Gotta cut the scissors.
There you go. Okay.
This is from Grandma and Granddad Macaulay to Kaylin. Andrew's opening it for her.
Alright. More clothes.
Look at what you got!
Look.
What? What you got? That's yours. You
Can you open it up?
This one. Gotta put the clothes back, boy.
Very cool.
Okay, this is from Papa. This is to Papa. For Kaylin. Here, use the paper. Good one.
Thank you.
Oh,
Oh, sweet. I love it. I love it, Grandma. So cute.
oh, this is for Kaylin.
This is from Papa.
Papa's going. And it's going.
Love it all. Thank you, Grandma. Oh, Kaylin.
Show the camera. Pick it up, show the camera.
Thank you, Papa. From Kaylin.
Okay, we miss you guys. Love you.
We miss you.
Miss you.
Merry Christmas.
Say I love you.
Away, Christmas.
Say I love you.
Just one more.
Andrew, say I love you.
I love you.
Blow a kiss. Love you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.